We are here this morning at Volunteer Strathcona, where an individual of Goodwill's is here working, volunteering as a secretary, and her name is Eliesa.
I'm 21 years old, I have 2 brothers, and I like to play the piano. I took early learning and childcare for 1 year, and then now I'm at Northwest taking online courses. I help with the meals program, and then when I'm not doing that, I'm working on this brochure that I made.
We interviewed Eliesa and we found out that, she's got some computer skills, and we decided that she would be a great fit. We started with 1 shift a week, and she had a job coach for a little while, and Eliesa and I did a progress report, and she had indicated that she'd like more time here, so we made that happen.
I like the people here and how nice they interact with the people that come to the doors. So Goodwill can give me volunteer opportunities and help me find a job. It gives opportunity to people to learn how to obtain a job and stuff you need to know before you take your initial interview. And then once they find you a workplace, you can gain a lot from it.
It's just been a real pleasure working with Goodwill and working with Missy Moo here. I'll call her Missy Moo.